Happy New Year, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some products from Valet Pro, an absolute staple brand from the UK. So we'll just have a quick chat through what we got. So we're just going to be washing the Tiguan today. It was washed last week, but there's just a bit of winter grime on from this week, a bit of salt. So we're just going to give it a quick once over, get it sparkling again. So first up, we'll go for the wheels, and I'm using Bilberry. We've got this diluted at 1 to 10 in the self-dilute bottle, so that's going to be for the wheels. For the body, I'm going to be using Snow Foam Combo 2. So this one is, they do a fair range of snow foams, so this one's one of them. This is pH neutral snow foam, and then we're using this one. So this is, you can use it in a pump sprayer, foam lance. So pump sprayers 1 to 10, foam lances 1 to 3. So I've diluted that into a lance and a pump sprayer ready to rock and roll. And then I'm gonna wet it with a bit of dragon's breath just to clear it up a bit. It's not had any decon over the winter. As we know, the built amber wax is still going really strong. And then we're going to crack on with this ceramic shampoo. Now, they sent me this over with a bucket and a wash mitt and a grit guard. Great company to deal with. So they, like I say, kindly they sent this over to us to have a play with. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out. The car has got protection on, but we're just going to give it a little boost with this. We'll see whether it makes any difference maybe. So it just says 15 ml into 5 litres of water. So we're going to do that. Top to bottom apply to a wet finish with a wash mitt. So yeah, we'll wash it with that and then we'll dry it. And in the wheel bucket we'll just put a bit of the regular shampoo in. So yeah, we'll get to it. And we'll quickly go through. It's not going to be a long video. We'll just go through each individual bit, and yeah, hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you next time.